To bring this to life a bit more, let me walk you through a quick real world style example of what an AI copilot might look like in action. Let's imagine Maria, a ninth grade English teacher. Maria has a wide range of reading and writing levels in her classroom, and she struggles to give every student personalized feedback on their drafts. She's interested in AI, but she doesn't want students to have the tool write their essays for them. So she designs a small AI copilot pilot. First, she writes clear guidelines for her students. She tells them AI can help you brainstorm ideas, it can suggest revisions or alternative sentences, and it can help you check for clarity. However, it cannot write your entire essay, and you may not copy and paste the AI response in your own work. She also adds a requirement that every student include a short AI usage statement at the end of their paper, explaining if and how they use the tool. Next, Maria uses a district approved AI platform to support her own feedback. She pasted autonomized examples of student writing and asked the AI for suggestions focused on clarity, organization, and tone. She never includes names or identifying details. She then edits those suggestions into personalized comments for each student. She also asked the AI to create simplified versions of her assignment instructions and a visual checklist for students who need extra support. In class, she shows students how to ask good questions of the AI tool. Things like, can you suggest a stronger topic sentence for this paragraph? Or can you give me 3 different ways to say this idea more clearly? As students draft and revise, Maria walks around the room, coaching them not just on their writing, but how to question the AI instead of accepting the first answer. Over time, she notices a few things with her students. Number one, more students are turning in drafts on time. Number two, the quality of revisions improves. And number three, she spends less time writing repetitive comments and more time having meaningful one on one conferences. That's the heart of AI copilots, not doing the work for our learners, but helping them see more possibilities and get unstuck faster, while we remain firmly in the role of guide, mentor, and facilitator.